Ever noticed how the Heroku deployment never ever goes quite as smoothly as when you tried it with Rails tutorial? It probably didn't help that Heroku had just started to really support Rails 4 and Ruby 2.0, so their documentation was missing a few critical steps for me. First off, it kept telling me that my gem file was bad and that I had deleted the RBFS event gem. It turns out that instead I needed to delete the RBFS event gem. Context is everything. Then my JavaScript and CSS assets were compiling, and I found that the Twitter Bootstrap Rails gem and Rails 4 don't exactly play nice with each other, so I switched that out with the Bootstrap Sass gem. When I finally got the app uploaded, it crashed. No errors, no nothing, just some text in the log displaying the Rails server command and the app crashing on the very next line. How helpful. It turns out that I needed to regenerate the Ruby executables using rake rails update bin. Oh, and don't forget to precompile your assets. Anyways, now for something completely different. My attempt to reintroduce multi-parameter attributes to Mongoid was rejected as a won't fix. The developers thought that it was entwining the view code with the database and that the code simply could not be written well, which really doesn't help anyone who wants to use a date select box when using MongoDB. Fortunately, another developer called Matthew Doza took the code I wrote for Mongoid and made a gem that re-adds multi-parameter attributes. It's called Mongoid_multiparams, and you can find it on GitHub. It just goes to show you why so many developers use open source. If somebody doesn't like your changes, you can just take your ball and go play somewhere else. See you next time.